50,000 subscribers! Yay! How exciting, you guys. I can't even express like the amount of gratitude and just like overwhelming support and love that I'm feeling right now. I'm so happy, so excited because we've gotten to 50,000 so fast. I feel like literally 2 weeks ago we were at like 20,000 and all of a sudden now we're at like 52. We're almost 53 right now as I'm making this video. It's insane. Again, so many thanks. Thank you so much for all of you guys who support everything here on Veggie Rose channel and all that good stuff. Thank you so much. You might be thinking, if you've been here before, you're probably thinking, what in the world is going on in the back? Where is Rose? And I am standing in the new Veggie Rose cooking set or filming set or whatever you want to call it. This is, I won't show you the cabinets because the cabinets are not done just yet. I mean, it is a cabinet, but it's not painted or anything like that yet. We are waiting to get our cabinet countertops. We're gonna mount our shelves, paint, decorate, do all the good stuff, and this entire set is actually gonna be dedicated to videos along with my office and like just everything. It's gonna be so amazing, so awesome. I'm so grateful for everything and I'm so glad this is happening just right on time. That being said, today's video is a 50,000 subscribers giveaway and I'm so excited because I've been wanting to do a giveaway for a really long time. I wanted to do one at 10, then I wanted to do one at 20, then everything kind of just went by so fast. It was like spiraled like a snowball and I was never ready and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get ready for 50, and even though 50 came sooner than I thought, I managed to pull it all together. That being said, today's video is gonna be a 50,000 subscriber giveaway and I'm super excited because I wanted to do one for 10, then I wanted to do one for 20, and everything has been just spiraling and going so fast. It's like a snowball effect that I haven't been able to like get everything kind of situated and right timing to do a giveaway. So I was like, I'm gonna plan for 50,000 subscriber giveaway. And even though 50,000 subscribers came way faster than I thought it would, I'm ready. I managed to get it ready. And yeah, also I want to say a huge thank you to the brands that have sponsored this video or this giveaway because without them, I would not have been able to do this giveaway. They have sponsored this video in the form of giving the products that we will be giving away. So there will be 5 winners in this giveaway, and I'm gonna start saying the stuff that you guys will be winning, and I will be going into further detail for every item. So here we go. So winner number 1 will be receiving a cookware set, a ceramic cookware set by Veggie, and the links to all of these companies will also be down below, and I'm gonna show you guys a little clip of their products. This is the Veggie Masterpiece Ceramic Cookware Set. It comes in different colors and it is induction cooktop compatible. They are very non-stick, oven safe, and they come with this pretty wood pattern on the handles, so they're great quality and they're very pretty to look at too. I actually love this set. I have it myself. Winner number 2 is going to be getting a Cowspiracy vacuum sealer. This is the Cowspiracy original sealer, which comes with a few pre-cut bags and a roll of bags that you can cut custom sizes to whatever size you like. This also comes with the holes to vacuum seal in a marinade container. It has a blade to cut the bags to size, and you simply place whatever you want to seal inside the vacuum seal bag and place it into the vacuum seal slot, push it closed until it snaps, press the vacuum and seal button, and presto, your stuff is vacuumed and sealed. It also has a few different settings or different options, including a delicate setting for more delicate items, like if you want to seal fruit. Winners number 3 and 4 will be receiving a True Chef kitchen set, and there will be 2, but each winner will receive 1. This is the True Chef Kids Chef Set with universal holder. It includes a paring, a chef knife, and a peeler and scissors.
This is rated for ages 8 and up, but I let Mia, which is 4, use the peeler and the scissors as long as she's using their cut-resistant gloves, which will also be included in the giveaway as a set, but they are sold separately. These come in blue also, and the gloves come in small, medium, and large.
And lastly, winner number 5 will be receiving a popcorn popper from Salisbury.
This is the Salisbury microwave popcorn popper, and it is made from food grade silicone. We love homemade popcorn here, but I'm not a fan of standing over the stove and patiently waiting for all my kernels to pop and making sure I don't burn the thing. So this has come in really handy. Plus, you can eat it straight from the bowl, and you can save yourself from cleaning any extra dishes. Also, if you guys turn out to not be a winner and you're still interested in getting any of these things, the links will be down below for you guys.
And I know you're thinking, Rose, what do we have to do to enter? So, you're gonna have to do 3 things in order to enter. Number 1 is probably already done, and that is subscribe to this channel, the Veggie Rose channel. And if you're not a subscriber, all you gotta do is click on that subscribe button, get it out of the way, okay? And number 2 is subscribe to the Veggie Rose 2 channel, which I will be posting a lot more frequent on that channel once the set and everything gets finished. And number 3, you have to be a follower of mine on Instagram. Of course, if you have an Instagram, I know not everyone does, but and also, I actually made it a lot easier for you guys, so there will be a link down below in the description bar that will actually help you through those steps, and also will get your name and your email information. That way, whenever the winners are picked by gleam.com or gleam.io, they actually do like the draw for me, so they will randomly pick the 5 winners, and once the winners are picked, the email is already on there, your information is already on there, so I can reach out to you much faster, much easier. And you will have until April 7th, 2018 to enter this giveaway. I will be picking or doing the draw on the 7th, and then I will also be posting the announcement of the winners along with our Sweet Saturdays video on the 7th, which is a Saturday. So, again, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much for sharing my videos, because I know a lot of you guys share my videos and spread the love, and a lot of those people who see the videos that you guys share end up subscribing. And thank you so much, you guys. You have no idea how much it means to me that you guys are subscribed, that you guys always comment, that you guys always show your love, that you guys actually make the recipes that I create. Like, it's so mind-blowing to me that I just started by making some recipes to get some people on the like vegan train and helping people out and showing delicious food, to now a bunch of people on a daily basis make my recipes and share my recipes back to me. And it's just like, it's awesome. Every time I get one of you guys who sends me a beautiful comment or just any old comment or like anything on Instagram, it's just so heartwarming. And again, I want to tell you guys that I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys all. Thank you so much just for being so awesome. Thank you for being awesome, you guys. And yes, so you guys have 1 week from today to enter this giveaway. I'm doing a week because I know some of my subscribers sometimes watch the videos a little later, and I want to give everyone a chance to enter. And yeah, so I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys very soon.